the girls are back from our little yummy garden, and today we are going to be making kale chips. And we're gonna show you what the process is and cutting up the chips on the kale, and we are gonna make the kale chips out of the kale. So my mommy already cut some, but that's all right. And you have to make sure the kale is organic because that's the best for your body. So let's get right with the video. So my mommy already picked some of this. So I'll step in here. This is called the curly kale. This is called the purple curly kale. It's really weird because it's purple. Purple, my favorite color. This is called Lachinado. It has a really weird name. It's like a Spanish name. And this is...
That's collard greens.
Yeah, collard greens.
We can use that in the kale chips as well.
Yeah. I think we're gonna use a few in the kale chips, but the rest we're gonna put in the refrigerator. And
I will cut it up and freeze it, and we can use that in other recipes.
Like soups and all that kind of stuff, or like other videos we're gonna make.
Okay, let's pick some kale then.
Yay, let's go. And I'm gonna cut the kale with some scissors. So I'm gonna start with my favorite, curly kale. And it's not the purple curly kale. And my family is obsessed with curly kale. So let's start by this beautiful one.
I don't think you need the scissors, Mia. You just
I just want this
break off the big leaves.
So my mommy's also gonna wash this because there's some dirtiness inside there.
Okay, I'll wash it for sure.
But she will still wash it because of bugs and stuff. So just gonna cut. And don't pick the small ones like this because they are not ready.
They are good too, but we just let them grow, right?
They're really small.
Okay, pick some red kale too.
This?
Yeah.
I thought it's for this.
That's red curly kale. You can pick that
It's
too. Purple, red. It's really purple, but I think the real name is red. Okay? Yeah, cut some more of those.
We'll cut like 3 of these.
Cut more. We need to cut them so the small leaves keep growing.
Yeah. I'm gonna cut some more purple. I love the purple because when I see it, I see like, Mommy, look, it's purple. What we picked from the garden because, hey guys, she's right there. And I just really like when the purple kale pops up. Curly kale. Ugh. I can't talk today.
I'm gonna break 3 more of these.
Yeah. And I'm gonna get a few of these.
I already picked some. Those are getting small, but you can cut some more.
I'm gonna get like 3 more.
Okay. Put it in with the others.
And we're also gonna do a surprise challenge for you guys when we cut all the kale. I think we're done.
Okay, I'm gonna wash the kale and then we'll be back.
Okay, bye guys. We are back. My daddy's also here. Yes. We came back, so we have some different kinds of kales, and my mommy already washed it. So I'm gonna tell you all 5 kinds of different kind of kales. This is called the Russian kale. Red Russian kale. What is this color? Curly kale. Good job. And what is this called? Curly kale. Purple curly kale, almost. This is called the lachinado, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then this is called the colored green.
That's not a kale. But
Yeah, this is not a kale, but you can also eat it. So, as I promised, we're gonna do the secret. I don't want to do the secret challenge. So let me tell you. Who can cut the most kale in 1 minute? I don't want to do it.
let's do it.
It's just 1 minute.
We're going to make kale chips.
I'm not gonna do it.
Just for a minute,
I'm
okay?
just gonna cut it.
All right.
Okay. Kale chips is also really good for you. Yeah. It's also a really good snack if you're watching like a movie or something. Yeah.
Let's start it.
Yes. You guys love it.
Daddy's gonna start the timer. Everybody has their scissors?
Yeah.
Where's my scissors? Oh,
We
here.
have a
Hurry up,
cookie
let me
cake.
try it.
I'm not doing it yet. Right?
Okay.
Okay, let me do it.
Okay, let's start. So I'm gonna cut this first.
Doesn't matter which one. Okay, you can start.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, time is on.
I'm not doing it. Just cutting it.
I'm just showing you. You need to cut out the stem and just cut bite sizes of the green. Okay, I'm with Arena.
15
We don't need the
seconds.
stem. We throw out the stem or put it in the composter. And we just cut like bite sizes of the greens, or you can use your hands.
Thanks for
as well.
helping me.
You're welcome. Okay, we are one team with Arena.
That's no fair.
Okay.
Check this out.
Okay.
Check this out how I do it. You see how I roll it up?
Not too little. Oh, look at Daddy.
Oh,
No, those are too little. No, not good. Those are not good. We need
Too little.
a little bit bigger than these.
Yes.
Daddy. Daddy.
He doesn't know what to do. He never did this.
It's always our job to do it, right, girls?
Yeah.
But I never eat it either.
So far we have 1 minute already.
Oh, it's done. Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh, it's 1 minute is gone.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
So,
Let's stop it.
I won.
Let's see who won.
I did two.
Okay, that's Daddy's. That's Mia's.
Wait, I'm not.
That's Mia's.
Yeah,
And
that's
this
mine.
is mine and
Oh,
Arena's.
careful.
I think we won with Arena. But it was the two of us, so it wasn't really
So it
fair.
wasn't
But
really
it's okay.
fair. But with me and my dad, I cut two and he cut two, so it was a tie for both.
Okay, so cut up the kale, little piece, like little bite sizes like this. It's dark here.
I want to eat some.
And then we'll be back to continue.
No, Dad, I just want to cut a few more to show them and eat some.
We'll be back.
We are back and we cut up all the kale. When you cut up the kale, you have to make sure it's dry. So the ingredients are Himalayan
Pink salt.
pink salt, yes. Olive oil, organic olive oil, organic pink salt, and the secret ingredient. Did I ever say?
Okay. We need just a little bit of oil. Here.
Wait, we also, when you dry it, you need this drying thingy.
Yeah, we'll get to that later.
Yes. So
We don't need much oil, just a little bit.
just on the top, like this.
Let me do it. I don't want to put too much.
I want to do it to you.
Okay,
So you do it all over.
that's it.
Like a little swirl.
Let's see. And
I don't want
start.
to mix.
Come on, Mia.
Mix from the bottom. I don't like when my hands get messy. Ew!
I know. I just do this.
Yes. I hate to mix some like dirt and stuff. I hate.
Now let me do it then. Go wash your hands. So keep mixing it for a few minutes until all the leaves are oily, covered with oil. You don't need much. You don't want the leaves to be soaked with oil. Did you wash your hands?
Yes. 20 seconds.
Okay, so Mia, tell me until I'm mixing, tell the watchers, the viewers, a few things about why you like the kale chips.
Well, why I like the kale chips? Why I like the kale chips is because it's really good for you, and it's so yummy. I always eat it, like always. When I see it in the garden, I tell my mom, "Mom, can I eat some?" She says yes. So I pull up a whole big leaf, and boom, I eat it.
But we are talking about the chips now, not the raw
Oh,
kale.
okay.
The chips. Why do you like it?
I like the chips because they're so crunchy. And also when I eat it, I just put it all in my mouth. I wouldn't eat the raw kale.
Like, we're gonna put all this kale in this dehydrator and dehydrate it. And my two girls will eat that in
I think we're
20
gonna
minutes. This whole thing.
and we're gonna watch a movie, I think. That's why.
So this is one way to get greens to your child's.
And also, maybe you can sneak, like, tell your child, we got some chips, but they're really kale. And they'll eat it, and they'll really, like, realize it's yummy, but they'll, like, don't notice that it's kale. Won't notice. So first, do we have to put some salt?
You can add the salt now, or you can add, I don't want to put too much.
No, I'm gonna do it. You do everything.
Here.
All around. Okay, that's too salty.
Okay, that's good. And we can put a little more when it's in the dehydrator.
So what you do, you take all of the
Tray.
thingy off,
Okay, here we are.
all the trays, and then you put it all, okay, that's a little bit too much. You put it all over the tray. I never put it all over. I never put it like on the tray, but I did do something before.
Try to make like one layer.
I think this is too much.
Yeah, you can move some. We have more trays here.
Okay, that's good.
Oh, this one's very salty. We need to mix this a
Nice.
little more.
So salty.
Okay.
That's a bit too much.
Oh, we have one more tray.
It's okay if it goes a little bit. See that's a lot. It's okay if it goes on top of each other, or
Just
like
a little bit, yeah.
yeah, but don't put it like a lot, like a handful. Don't put it like that. Okay. So next, tray. So really just move it around. That's what you do. And if it's a bit too much,
Do you think we need more salt? If you
I
think
don't
we need
think
more
so.
salt, just
sprinkle a little bit
sprinkle
on.
a little more.
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's
Okay,
good.
next.
Okay, that's enough. Okay.
Need to use this all up.
Yeah. Here. Oh my kitty's so cute. 1 second.
Okay, we have level. Mia is blinking.
Hello, Tuki. Tuki. I'm Tuki. Hello. Say hello.
Alright, now fill that.
I love you. Okay, what are you doing?
A little more soft.
You're smelling the camera. What the?
Okay,
Okay,
take her
little
off the
lady.
table, please. Okay, so when we filled up all the trays,
You put
we're gonna
it up.
Mia. We're gonna turn it on for about 3-4 hours. When it's really crispy, you know it's done.
You every like 1 hour or so, you
We're checking
can
it.
you can taste it. And if it's not ready, you still leave it. But if it's your choice. You can leave it at 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours.
Yeah, but I think it needs at least 3 hours.
At least 3.
Alright, we'll be back.
Bye. We are back. And we are going to check on these babies. But we did it less than 2 hours for this to dry. But it seems like it's enough. So let's check how it looks. Yeah. These look tasty.
They look good to me and they are very crunchy.
Yum, look how crunchy. They're really yummy. And here.
Come, try them, Marina.
Okay.
Try them.
Told you our family loves kale.
It's very crunchy.
Really crunchy.
How is it? I think 2 hours was enough, right?
You maybe can do 3 hours if you want.
Okay, so we're gonna put these kale chips in
In
this
a
bowl,
bowl.
and the girls will eat them up in 30 minutes,
No, like 20.
20 minutes. Okay. And I just wanted to show you what we did with all the rest of the greens.
Kale.
Arina, can you show me? I cut them up in little pieces like this.
I have some in my pocket.
You do? Why did you put some in your pocket? Let me
Because
see.
I could pinch some. I don't need to come here. I just could pinch some. And I pinch them.
You're eating out of your pocket?
I just couldn't pinch them.
Because you're funny. You don't need to put it in your pocket. You can
But
eat
I
it from the bowl.
am.
All right. So I'm going to put this in the freezer, and we are using it in soups and smoothies. Yeah, let's do another video about smoothies. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we'll do that. Okay, so this video was about the kale chips, how we made it, how we harvested it, how we cut it up. Hope you liked it. It's very yummy, very tasty, very healthy for the kids. This is a very good way to put greens in your children's diet, and they love it, right?
And also, please like and subscribe and comment down below. Okay. And comment down below if you ever did this. No. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Bye.
And I have pockets. Bye, guys. And keels. Bye, guys.